The definition of elegance has undergone a radical transformation in 2026. While the previous decade focused on clean girl perfection, the new era of high-status dressing, what we decode as raw glamour, has rendered traditional rules obsolete. Today, we are analyzing the 8 specific items that elegant ladies have officially retired from their wardrobes and the technical alternatives they are using to maintain a Cis-7 aesthetic. Number 1. The oversaturated neon. In the 2026 landscape, neon and high-vibrancy synthetics are viewed as visual noise. They reflect light in a way that looks flat and digital. Elegant women have pivoted to muted earth tones and sludge pinks, colors with gray or brown undertones that absorb light, creating a matte, expensive-looking finish. Number 2. Fast fashion hardware. As we've decoded before, nothing destroys a silhouette faster than noisy hardware. Thin, gold-plated zippers and lightweight plastic buttons signal mass production. The modern elegant woman chooses garments with concealed closures or heavy, brushed metal hardware that feels substantial and silent. Number 3. The micro bag. The era of the impractical tiny bag is over. In the high RPM US market, elegance is now synonymous with utility. Carrying a bag that cannot hold your essentials signals a lack of organization. The pivot is toward the structured tote or the architectural clutch, items with geometric rigidity that signal a disciplined life. Number 4. Visible branding. Wearing a logo is now decoded as aspirational. The truly elite have moved into Stealth Wealth 2.0. They look for the texture gap, using the quality of the weave, such as a heavyweight 2-ply cashmere or raw silk, to signal status instead of a monogram. Number 5. The too clean aesthetic. The hyper-polished, untouched look of the early 2020s is being replaced by intentional friction. This means embracing natural wrinkles in high-quality linen or the grain in distressed leather. If your outfit looks too perfect, it looks artificial. Elegance in 2026 is about real-world quality. Number 6. Stiletto-only culture. The rigid rule of heels for elegance has been broken. High-status women in New York and London are opting for sculptural flats or the hybrid loafer. It's about the Benjamin Button moment in fashion, dressing younger and more mobile but with hyper-premium materials. Number 7. Synthetic sheen. Satin-look polyesters are being retired. They catch the light in a greasy way that signals low-tier manufacturing. The alternative is sand-washed silk or matte velvet. These fabrics interact with light in a soft, diffused way that creates a three-dimensional aura around the wearer. Number 8. The matchy-matchy set. Matching your bag perfectly to your shoes is now considered overstyled. Modern elegance is found in the texture stack. Wearing different materials like suede shoes with a pebbled leather bag creates a sophisticated visual complexity that looks effortless rather than calculated. As we continue to decode the shift toward modern elegance, it's clear that the rules have changed from perfection to personality. If you found this analytical breakdown valuable, hit the subscribe button. Join our community at Daily Fashion Decoded, where we turn style into a science.